Chapter number 9, Profit, Loss and Discount. You know very well about profit, loss and discount because the same topics you have studied in class 6th. Some basic terms we are having here. The first one is cost price, which is known as CP in short. Cost price means what? The article on which you are purchasing, the price of an article at which article is purchased, that is cost price. जितने में आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को परचेज करते हो, that is cost price. Then next is SP, selling price, on which the item or object you are selling, the price is known as selling price. Okay, now you are having selling price more than cost price. जितने में आप परचेज करते हैं और उससे ज़्यादा में अगर आप सोल्ड करते हैं तो अब आपको क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट. इफ़ SP, selling price, is less than CP, cost price, then your case of loss. Clear? Then how we can find profit percent? Profit or gain percent, both are same. So profit percent means what? Profit upon CP into 100. On the same side, if we want to find loss percent, so formula is loss upon CP into 100. So this is formula for profit percent and this is formula for loss percent. As you know very well, profit equals to what? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, while loss equals to what? Cost price minus selling price. Clear? Then starting exercise 9A, question number 1. Find the gain or loss percent. Gain is profit. Okay, so find the gain or loss percent. Then how you will know that in a particular question you are having gain or loss? If you are having SP greater than CP, then the case is about profit. If you are having SP less than CP, so the case is of loss. Okay, so the first question is CP is rupee 200 and SP is rupees 224. As you can see, SP is greater than CP, so this is the case of profit. And profit equals to what? SP minus CP. So your SP is 224 minus CP is 200. So just subtract this, you will get 24. Now we got here profit as rupee 24. Now the gain percent that we have to calculate. So gain and profit both are same. So gain percent equals to what? Gain upon CP into 100. So our gain is profit and profit is rupees 24. CP is 200 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So your answer 12% gain. Question number 2. Find the selling price. Selling price we have to find, and first question and second question. First is about gain and second is loss. So I'm solving here second question. CP is given to you rupee 60 and loss is given to you 12 1/2%. So now SP we have to find. So as you can see, loss is given to you. So whenever you are having loss, so loss percent is calculated on cost price. So for that 12 1/2% of 60 equals to, solve this one, so you will get 25/2% into 60. Now 25/2 can be written as 25 upon 2 into 100, 100 for percentage, into 60. Okay, now solve this. So 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 15 ja. Finally 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.50. Okay. So now SP we have to find. So as you know, loss equals to what? CP minus SP. We have calculated here loss. So loss is 7.50 rupee. CP is 60 rupee minus SP. Transpose this value. So SP equals to 60 minus 7.50. SP लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में गया और ये जो 7.50 है ये राइट हैंड साइड में. सो SP इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 52.50. So rupee 52.50 is the selling price. Okay, so you can solve question number 2 first. Then question number 3, Rohit bought a tape recorder for rupees 1500 and sold it for rupees 1800. Calculate the profit or loss. Question number 3 you can solve. CP is given to you, SP is given to you. Which is greater? SP is greater. So this is the case of profit. Just calculate the profit, then profit percent. You can solve. Then question number 4. An article bought for rupee 350 and is sold at a profit of 20%. Find its selling price. So this question is same as question number 2 second. Okay, so in this case profit percent is given to you. So first you will find the profit. So profit equals to what? Profit percent of CP. So 20% can be written as 20 by 100. Off stands for multiplication. CP is 350. So this 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. 35 into 2 rupee 70. So 70 rupee profit we are getting here. Now SP we have to find. As you know, profit equals to what? Profit equals to SP minus CP. So SP we have to find. So transpose CP to the left hand side. So profit plus CP equals to SP. So SP equals to what? Profit rupee 70 and CP is rupee 350. So the final selling price is rupee 420 and this is your required answer. Clear? Question number 5 is same as question number 2 second. You can solve. Then question number 6.